Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm visiting my mother in Moncton, New Brunswick, and a hurricane just came through and decided that it was going to take out all the power. So the project I was going to do is now become a hand tool project. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So this is the basic design. It's going to be the planter with a bench and another planter. It's day 2 of this build and the power's back on, so bye-bye hand tools. I really hope you enjoyed this video where I made this bench slash plant holder for my mother while I was visiting her in Moncton, New Brunswick. If you did, appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, appreciate it if you consider subscribing. All that's left to do is a little bit of sanding on the edges here and adding a little painting the stuff for pressure treated lumber on the end grain. Anywhere you cut pressure treated lumber, you have to add a little bit of sauce on it. It was really fun to build something for my mom, and I think she really enjoyed it. Until next time, cheers and have a great day.